Welcome back to Stationeers, everybody. I'm Rob, and we're today back here in our Let's Play facilities on Mars. Last time we left off with our ability to automate filling of these three vending machines from the furnace, and they're all coming in by itself. I have, as you can see, made the room look nice. Lights, colors, everything looks nice. Also, a small change in here. So instead of, let me just take this last one. So instead of using 3 chips, I'm using 2 now, which seems to be doing the trick. One of you asked about the code, and I will be bringing the code either in a separate episode where I show everything or just put everything on Reddit or whatever. I have tweaked every single code from the original designer, so you cannot just take what is on the workshop and put it into your system. It will not work. But we have a new thing. As you see up here, we have hygiene. It's a new update which was released today called Shelter in Space. Basically, from what I understand, we need to shower now. So even though I was actually preparing, as you can see, for our next big thing, which is filling up these things, we need to somehow make a shower. I was planning on doing starting on the livable space up here so I can move these into where it should be, which is over here. That's gonna have to wait for now at least. But yeah, this is what we have currently, and it looks pretty nice. This is almost done. I just need to finish something over there and color this correctly. Yeah, then we're pretty much there. Let's go and see if we can do something shower related. We need, first of all, we have water, mood is increasing, low hygiene is increasing, chute and helmet on. Well, let's see, vitals, player stats. We need to build a shower, I think. So, let's see, shower powered. I guess that's what we want. So we build it from the kit, build the hydraulic. Okay, so let's go to hydraulic.
Hunger caution.
Yeah. Shower. Need some iron. Let's go down to our lovely vending machine. I cannot wait till we get the next phase of this working, where it just gets up there by itself. It's gonna be amazing. That's also what I'm preparing here, by the way. Yeah. It's all in preparation. It's all being prepared. Yank. Okay, let's build this bad boy. And then we're probably gonna need some water pipe and stuff. We're gonna build some. We can build this. Then we can build some water pipes. Then we're gonna have to have a shower because that phase is very bad. And yeah, I'm decreasing. Yeah, well, that's great. Pipe. We want some water pipe. Liquid, of course. Liquid. Do we want insulated? Yeah, why not? Oh, you. Do I have anything here? Nope. My amazing storage system there. Let's see if we have some silicone in here. Oh, that's silver. Silicone, there we are. Let's grab 2 while we're at it. I love that. It's so good. So nice to have. And we need steel. Let's go get some steel. I'll be making water pipes. And that is the second one here. Oh, steel. Boop. So yeah, let's get this done quickly so we can get those red ones away and see if we can make some sort of shower. How many do we need? We have now 6. And what does this say? It says shower power. What's the difference? So the shower base power usage 10 watt. And the shower powered is okay. Screwdriver, 1 kit, liquid pipe. Oh. What's the difference? Pipe input. It probably turns on by itself. Well. How much do we have? We have 17. We can do it because we're going to do a shower upstairs until we have made our proper downstairs living space. That's great. Let's go upstairs and see if we can do a shower. This is going to be interesting. I've never done it before. Literally, I've just started. I've just seen the update. I'm like, this is amazing. We need to update this. We need to do update of this. Yeah, very boring room.
Pressure critical.
Yeah.
Temperature critical. Oxygen critical.
Well, what can we put a shower in here? Let's see here. Okay. Right. So we don't have any cables. That's terrific. Let's go and grab some cables. We can take them what we have outside here. Let's pop that in here. We'll just grab this. No, that's the Don't worry, fountain cable. It's yellow though, but it'll be fine. We'll survive. As you know, this up here is still very temporary. It's gonna be removed very soon, I hope, because I don't want to use it anymore. Let's see what we can.
Air tank low.
That was nice. Okay, well, we're gonna pop a cable here. And this way we can connect this, and then we can move this. There we are. And pop it there. Lovely. Okay, and pop him in there. Now let's see, shower. It goes in and it goes out. Well. And that's the powered one. Interesting. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna... yeah, why not? We're gonna put him there. And now that we have the correct pipe, and we take our rinse screwdriver, if we take our screwdriver, then we have a shower in the middle of the room, because why not? So we're gonna remove that one. That should work, I hope. Let's see here. Let's just remove the crop first of all. There we are. We can pop that in here. Usually this is like the first build I actually did, and it's just very impractical. Okay, so that is that. We just need some power. Let's see if we can get away with this way. Lovely. There we are. Huh. What is that? Because we don't have anything there. So what if we do like that? Okay. So what, I need to get naked or what? This is so weird. This is so weird. Okay, so let's just take this on again. Suit, helmet. And let's see what is in this one now. Is this dirty? Because I know we have a filter thing. What is that? PW. Is that like unclean water now? Polluted water. So now we have so now that we have polluted water, we technically need to clean that. Huh. Very interesting. But how clean are we now? It's increasing. We need just some food. Let's eat a potato. I love how they're making it more and more realistic every time we play. Like, it's so cool. Come on. Speaking of which, that could be why I was flashing. We didn't have enough water. Ha! Yes, we need water. Of course we need water now. Ugh. Well, we're clean. So let's get some water. We have some... Here. Good. And... Yeah. Open. Take that. And smelt. Lovely. Okay, so now that that's done, let's go down and see what's the next thing we have to do. Which is... So I've been thinking, and now we're going to do some planning in down here. We need some... some wall plates. I have 2. That's not enough. We need some more wall plates. Wall. So we need the flat wall, because that's what we use mostly. Let's just make... Yeah, 18, that's fine. So we have 2 things. We don't really want to use too much of this, because right now, as we're using this system, we are actually just dumping this gas into space. Out here. And that... Did I empty that one completely? No, good. And that's because I don't have the opportunity or the ability yet to cool the temperature. You see, it's 507 Kelvin. It's quite warm. Now, we are going to do something. So either we can cool the gases so we can reuse it, or we can dump it and get rid of it. I also have all the trash down here. I can show you my trash. It's getting a bit of everywhere. Yeah. I need to work on that. So that is also something I have to do. It's not gonna be today because no more in this work right now. I can't be asked. It's been too much. We are going to look into how we're gonna place things up here. Because before we know how we're gonna place these 3 plus these, plus a tool machine and a rocket. I'm not gonna make the security one because, at least not for now. Before I know how to place these, I cannot use an automated way of filling them, if you get what I mean. So let me clear out all this up to the level that we need, and then when that's done, then we can start looking into how to organize the room and place them as we want to. Okay, so now that we have dug out at least part of what we need, the room will go to this wall. At least that's my current plan. I don't want to go further that way. I will go that way, unless I decide to go that way, but then I'll be changing my mind, so who knows. I am thinking to, let's say we take these boys. So now I built a printer, electronics printer. I built a pipe bender, and I built an ortholate, 1 of each more. That is because I'm going to have 2 of each of these, because these are the 3 I'm going to use the most. Then I'm going to have another 1 tool tool machine, because you never know when you need a tool, and the rocket machine. And that is what I'm gonna have in this particular room. I think so. That is what I'm having for now. Now, so let's say we put him this way. Do we put him inside? That is the question. What I'm trying to do? Okay, let's build one. Definitely not like that. Let's see here. If we put him like so, then no. Let's see. If we put him, If we put one here, I don't think the railing is gonna stay here, because I think I want to close off, have glass here. Yeah, I think so. I think I'm gonna separate this room to this room with glass. The rail is just here now because there was my original idea. Now, the wall I am planning. Let's remove the railing for now. Handle. Let's just move this for now. Yeah, and put that in there. Collect that. You never know if I'm going to use that. Oh, to storage. See, this is a proper storage room. So if we say we're going to put a window like so, just the whole way here. This is just a regular window, nothing fancy here. Don't know if this is the end result, but for now, it's what it is. And then we come, let's build, where's the other one? Here. And let's say we have a interior wall. So we come in, let's see, we come in, let's take another one. We come into the room. We actually want him to be the same. To like this. Right? So we work there and we work there. And then we will be standing in this space. Yeah, and we'll stand in this space, because I'm going to use a sensor for each of these. And that is not where I want it to be. I want it to be there. So I come in here. Manufacturing room. Or is that too small? Is that too... What if I put him here? How about that? And I have him there, I have him there. And then I can have my walls. Let's see, yeah, we take the flat wall. Then we have another flat wall there. We have a door. Let's say we go for this. So we have an ingoing there, an ingoing here. Then I can have. So if you have an outlet here, an outlet here, pipe bender, electronics, tool, rocket. Yeah, that could probably work. Unless I want to go 1/3 out. How to plan this out? Because what I'm trying to achieve is to have a room that I can close off, and having chute coming up and chute going out, and then there's a drop-off point like here where they simply just dump down or something. Okay, so we are going to For now, we're gonna wait with this section here. We will want to... What do we want to put in first? The printer. What is I have built over here? Electronics printer. Okay. I'm gonna move the printer now. Because it's the easiest one to move, because it's not used... It's not joined together like the other one is. Angle grinder. Wire cutters. Oh. Okay. So we just need to place a bit of chute here so we know where we can have. So like so. Okay, and then we can have that wouldn't look too bad. Unless I did... Ooh, good idea. I do that way. Hidden in the wall. That will be looking very nice. And same thing over here. And... Come on. Come on. There we are. There we are. Oh, still another window there. There we are. Good. Awesome. It's here. No, that is not correct. We want that, and we put it straight down there. No, that's still not correct. Jesus, come on. There we are. Okay, now let's just try to complete those two walls just to see how that looks like. Do I not have any more steel sheets somewhere? Yes. I do. So I can finish this one. If I take the right tool, I can at least. Now how does that look? Iron sheets. Yeah, no, really. I did not know that, did I? I need that. I need that. Some cables. Oh, stop that. I have cables. I don't need any more here. I need that. We're gonna build this one first. Cables, cables, cables. Plastic. And where is my... It's up here. Screwdriver. There we are. And... 20... What's that? Stacker. What? It is there. I just took the wrong part. There we are. How does that look? That does not look too bad, does it? No, it doesn't. It does actually not look too bad. It looks nice. So we have the printer, Good. That we can live with. Now we have a problem. We cannot do it that nice here and then have a wall here. So we're gonna have to have a thick wall to hide the chute. Yeah. Because then we can have all the piping happening downstairs or upstairs. Because I think this is gonna be a waste of pipes. Yeah. Because I'm having a crazy thought about simply saying, okay, let's say I need cables, and then I want to have a switch saying dual, and then it will produce here and here at the same time. That is a very good idea. I think so. Yeah, also a bit crazy, but you know, that's how it is. So iron sheets, we need a lot more of those. Oh, I need some of those. Let's see, we can remove, now that we know that, we can actually remove this again. Because then we can design, the whole thing a little bit more nicer in terms of removing the pipe. And with this we can then also remove the upstairs, so we can actually make it even less up there. Plastic. Do I have any more plastic? Yes, I do, right there. 7. Good. Go in there. Screwdriver. Where is my tonic smut? Look at that. If that's not nice to look at, I don't know what is. And then we can do the piping here. Lovely. And if we say, yeah, we can move.
Hydration critical.
We can move this one completely by using the right tool, the wrench. And they'll be placed here. I think it is. Yeah. And then we can take another hydraulic vent, which is in use. Let's just empty it first, so it doesn't go everywhere again. And well, what is that? Okay, so that's good enough. And angle grinder. Need some water. Water. Wrench. So we can pop this one. How to say it? Oh dear, we did not place that one correctly. We need to pop it right there, correct? Yes. Let me just get some water. Now that we actually have a design, we're actually going to make it quite easy for ourselves to do the rooms as we want to. As we know, we're going to have this one stacked right there. And the pipes going down and going up or something in that area. Which we can do already. And then our door will be here. And this will then give us the ability to have our normal offlates here, which is the one we use the most, having the rest stacked here, and then over here the more special ones. I've not decided how to put them in yet, but we will get to that. Iron sheets, we have them there. Build that one, build that one. Cable. And plastic. That one. I do have enough. Good. And screwdriver. There we are. And that's not off late. Pipe bender. What's the last one? Why is the last pipe in the mud? There we are. Lovely. Lovely. And of course, you're going to have some lights in here. It's going to be a nice little working room. Then I go to one of them and I start. And this one will start again as well. And then there'll be an IC chip controlling both of them. It's going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing. Now, do we have enough to produce the rest? Do we have enough cables, first of all? We don't. Unless we have... Oh, that's just brilliant. Oh, we might have enough. Because then we definitely need to produce some heavy cables. Okay, and we need to produce some more of these. That should be enough. Plastic. And silicone, we don't have enough silicone. Of course we do, it's right there. So now let's just first build the first ortholate. This one. Which we're gonna build it right here. Oh. Right? That is correct. Yeah, that is correct. Good. And steel sheets, iron sheets, whatever sheets, some sheets, plastic sheets. Oh, come here. Don't have enough iron sheets now, but you can never have enough of those. Technically you can, but I'm now rambling as per usual. And also printer mode. Oops. Okay, that is done. Because that's the output. We actually remove that, but that's the output. So this one will be going up, this one will be going down. Good. This is gonna be awesome. Let's just double check that we have enough cable to go in there. So we can do that by removing all the power cables we have in here. The one thing I haven't taken into consideration yet is actually how I'm going to put my stackers. Because obviously I'm going to put a stacker. It's a weird sound. But obviously I'm going to put a stacker somewhere. Or at least several stackers actually. How much do I have? 30, okay. That's plenty. Because right now we just need to get in so we can do some more heavy cables. Because I didn't think that far, did I? Nope. Do. There we are. This is overkill by a long mile, but it's, you know, it's Stationeers. You want to do overkill. What's going on down here? Nothing. It's actually one thing now that I'm out here, I want to show you something. That's quite nice. So I made a small change to the program control this one, so it keeps releasing gas. When it's not making an ingot, it goes to 1 here and 0 here. And then if you see this one is actually going up, that means it's producing something. What? Well, you will see that on this picture here. Those three are... The amount, yes, is in use, but the other two are for test. That's also why it has that A test and whatever. They're not being used anymore, but yeah, doesn't matter. I should probably have so I can see what was the last thing that was made, but meh. Let's see here. Yes, I want to move that one. Why do I keep taking the wrong one? Why? Why? And remove that one and take the rinse. Right, I had all in there. Who cares about ore? We have plenty of ore in our base. That was so far from being correct. Haha. So that we need one more block out, but then we also have a space here for the rocket, space here for tools. Perfect laid out. Completely planned. Yes. That's my story and I'm sticking to it. Because no one can prove otherwise. Where did I want to go? I definitely need to clean up in here soon. Okay. Put that there. So the next thing is to build the last walls around this block. Then we can do some stuff in here. Let's see here. We want another block there, block there, block there, block there, block there. There we are. And doorway here. Ooh, can that be over here? Unless this is some that is completely down there. Where is the rocket? Where's the rocket thing? Computer. Is it down by the rocket base? Oh, still see steel frames. You can always use some steel frames. Yes, there we are. I need one there. The reason why I want my steel, my rocket up here as well. This is gonna look crap. I could have that there, but then where to put the tools? So that one can technically be there. Yeah, we're gonna pop that one there. Yeah. Do I really need to push it out one more? Oh, fine. I guess I do. Okay, give me a second. Then I can bring down the tool. Then it'll look nice. It'll all be perfect. Right. Give me a second. And there we have it. All of them are now in place. Yeah, it actually looks quite nice, I would say. You have everything inside this particular one room here. This manufacturing room, as we could call it, or I don't know. noisy machine room. Could also be the word for it. Anyway, I've realized that I put in the rocket here, which I might regret because the rocket bay is far over there and the rocket production is here. So there's a lot of walking back and forth there. I didn't really realize that, but yeah, we'll see. I do want to have it here because it's going to be on the same system as these, the other ones of these printers. Now, I removed the outer pipe because I still have to decide exactly how they're going to go out here, because they will go out here, so we don't have to go in and pick up stuff. So it's going to look nice. But the feeding pipe has been placed, sort of, and they go down. Now, downstairs we go down here. Yay! This section here, now I know how it's going to be. It's going to... let's just finish this one. This section here is going to be for feeding of the different tubes, the different printers. We are going to use something that I have not that much experience with, and I will find them up here. Where are they? Oh yeah, as you may have noticed, my perfect organized room has become a bigger mess than before, and that's because somewhere in all my digging, that's also why there's a ceiling here, I have a leakage, and the storm happened, and yeah, see what that makes of this room. Not nice. But I have these boys. Yeah, the electronical chutes. So the electronical chutes looks like this. So we have a flip-flop, chute bin, a left and right. Now a left valve, a right valve, and that's it. But the flip-flop has, obviously it's the other way, has a very nice feature. So you can see right now we go straight. And you can set the ratio of how much goes straight, how much goes left. I want to have it, everything goes in whatever direction it has to go to. So I can flip it. So I'm going to make a code. That's going to be for next time, not today. But I want to make a code that basically reads of these different machines when there are less than 50 in the machine of, let's say, steel. Then it will call steel from over here. It'll go through these switches and go up in the correct printer. So when that has been made, I can actually completely, sort of, seal off this entire room down here. It'll run by itself. And I can just print as much as I want to without ever thinking of filling up this here. So you can see, like, the iron, we have 1 gram of iron left. That would be less than 50, obviously. So it will say, okay, send 1 chunk of 50 iron to this printer. I have not yet decided how I'll make it, but I'll have this on each of them. So, for example, the toolmaker, we don't really make much with it. I need a shower. Damn it. We don't really make much with it, but it's also going to have it, at least I think so. Maybe that one is just going to have a call, I don't know. But at least this one and the rest of them will have, so it has 1 stack of every single ore inside of 50, minimum 50. That's gonna be very, very tricky to do. But until we have done that, before we've done that, we want to have it so we can spit out the ore that we need here. So we have here 3 collectible sections. One for printing stuff, one for pipe, one for alternate, and one for tool.
Hunger, caution.
One for tool and rockets. We're going to be here. The one reason why we're going to do tool and rocket together is because we don't make much with this tool machine. At least not yet. Security, I'm not going to add that one, but if I wanted to, I could probably squeeze it in here. But I don't really need the security because I'm playing on a single player map just by myself, and there's, as of now, no aliens or anything to shoot. but we all know the design of this game. They like to change stuff all the time. So before we continue, I will have a shower, because apparently I stink. And my man is getting unhappy. I also feed, also have some food and water. So yeah, imagine that we can actually feed our base, our machines in there automatically. That would be very, very, very cool. Do not have a chute somewhere. Not chute, a frame. Nope, I guess not. So yeah, let's get rid of all this stuff. It's 50. Just tidy up this mess a little bit. Get all that, there. What do we want here? Do we want that or that? We definitely want. Let's just see how would that look. That could be that would look fine. It's not an important thing to have. It's more like I think it could look quite cool. Then I'll have up here, I think so, a chute coming out. Now we need to modify something regarding the outgoing, because I want a chute. No, I want a stacker. Obviously. So, so these two will be either used single, so will be this one or this. This one, or both of them. So I'll not be handling this one, but it'll be running simultaneously to this one, making the same amount of whatever if I choose dual. That's at least the plan. So I would like the outgoing here to come around, go in here, so they can go out together. And then have a stacker. Can I have the stack in the wall? That'll be less of a nice thing to have. Let's see. We have a stacker somewhere. Oh, we have one right there. Let's just take this stacker. So this stacker we can. That is not suitable, and that is just annoying, and that is not nice. Oh. What if we do that? Let me just try this. How will this look? Let's just put a wall there. Flat wall. And we do another flat wall there. Steel. Where's the steel? It's right there. Yeah. That could probably work. I mean, I can sort of access it. Nope, I cannot access it whatsoever. That's gonna be how it is. You're gonna have a stacker there and a stacker there. Yeah. And then we're somehow gonna control that. Yeah. Deal. That's how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna need 4 stackers actually. So we have a stacker here. So we're gonna pop that one like so. Oh. But if we cannot control it anyway, why not pop it further in then? Let's just try this. How does this look? How will that look? No, that will look even worse because then we can't see it at all. No, we're gonna have it sticking out the wall. Like so. Stagger. We need 2 more. Stagger, 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 stagger. Stagger. Iron. Oh! Iron. Come on. I'm still. Is that not iron? Yes. I'm still concerned that I will open up and I realize that's not enough in here because it somehow doesn't work anymore. I still have no trust in my system. Even though I tested it thoroughly, and if I remove stuff and all that, it seems to be working. But you know, you made a code and you made it look nice, and suddenly, it doesn't work anymore. So I have my doubts, but until proven otherwise, I will have my doubts. So when it starts to feed automatically, and I can see I'm not running out, then I will not. Then I will trust it. Until then, I won't trust it. Okay, so we want one here. Whoops, we want one. Dough. That would look decent, I would say. Yeah. And I have a stagger for good measure. Now we need a lot of chutes to make this happen. So let's produce a lot of chutes. Hang on a second, we're gonna take that stagger and put it on that one because we're gonna do a lot of chutes now. Always changing. Shoot. Cable. Do not have any more heavy cable. Cable call. What? There we are. Knew it. There we are. Stop. Get going. Right, so what we are going to do, this is... how would that look nice? This is ortholate, right? Yeah. So we want to go in. And simply a corner here. And that will be where this one meets up. Luckily, yes, you have to start them. Oh. What? Thank you. That is the design. That would look quite nice. And we just had to do the same thing over here. And this one is the electronics, which goes there. So here we want the electronics of this one to go in and put that out. That looks like this. And here we need to go, this is the pneumatics, atmospherics. So we want to go from this bad boy and then that way. Now, question. Why not just go up and then in the air, just above the ceiling, glass across? That could actually look quite nice. Yeah, let's do that. Of course, we would only do it. How do we do this? We do a turn here. That's what we do. Like so, and junction. And turn. This is some very tricky piping to do. And we have connection between the three main ones now, and we have already used the 250 ore plus whatever it was before, so that's just insane. But at least it looks fairly decent. Yeah, I would say. Now the next one is going to be very much simpler. Very much simpler. It's going to be much simpler. We will be going. We need more. We need more iron, but we will be going. We'll be going this way. So we going up here. One out. Oh, that is the wrong ones. Straight. And down. There we are. And then we're out of chutes. So I need some more ore. But at least we know that we have plenty of more ore down here. Let's see here. We just need to take some. Let's say I think we need 2. I think we need 100 more. So that is iron. Yes. Oh. With that. With that. Oh, hello. That's one more. It's starting to take shape. And soon we will be ready with our room being at least... Oh, we need to produce them. At least ready with our room in a certain manner, and then we can start looking into this automated stuff, which will be hopefully something that I can finish in one go. I still don't know exactly the code there. Oh, it's gonna be slightly tricky. I think so, but we'll see. I don't think there's a code that I can borrow anything there, sadly. Perhaps there is, perhaps there's not. For now, we will need to see what we can do. I need to figure out how I can read from these stations what they have, what they don't have, so I can actually say, okay, you need more or you need less. No, or you have enough, basically. Done. So all our chutes is pretty much in place. Of course, this one is not in place because then I can produce. I'm also going to take this one off here so I can produce some iron, some electrical stuff. And if I need some piping, it's going to be here. But at least for now, it is pretty much done. I need some light in here because it's dark as nobody's business. And now I need to figure out this down here. So I need to pull pipes from these three. One pipe, I think, is going to be enough. We'll see. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do it. Maybe I can. We'll see. But that's going to be next time. Until then, I will probably finish off more of the aesthetics in here because that's just the boring stuff. And cable up everything. Lights will also be up. And yeah, then we'll crack on. We'll see how it goes next time. Until next time, have a fantastic rest of your day. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.